Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this session we will talk about how Python compiler executes code. Okay, so when we write our Python program, we store it in a file with .py extension. Okay, so normally every file has its own extension. For example, text document has .txt extension, Excel file has .xls extension, Word file has .docs extension. Similarly, Python file has .py extension. So when we write any program in Python, we have to store that program in .py file extension. Okay, and the name of the file can be any name, whatever we want. But in this suffix, it has to be .py. Okay, so that our computer system can identify that this is a Python file. Now, after storing the our Python script into .py file, when we execute our code, the Python compiler just converts this whatever the script that has been written in .py file into the byte code. Okay, and this byte code is generated in .pyc file extension. Okay, so when we save our Python script in .py file extension and execute it, what will happen? Python compiler generates a byte code, and that byte code will be generated in with .pyc file extension. Okay, now since our computer system, or you can say our CPU, understands only machine code, so there has to be something which should convert this byte code into the machine code, and that is why PVM comes in picture, or you can say the full form of PVM is Python virtual machine. And what this Python virtual machine does, it just takes the byte code in the .pyc file extension, read it and convert it into the machine code. Okay, now once the PVM successfully converts the byte code into machine code, then it is passed to CPU. Now CPU can understand this machine code, and based on the machine code, it will just generate the output. Okay, so in this way our Python compiler works. That's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.